Hi there. In this video clip, I'm going to show you how to set up a quiz on Socrative. So you start off on your dashboard screen, and from there you're going to navigate to Manage Quizzes. And right here it says Create Quiz, and that's where you're going to go first. I do want to make a note of the Import Quiz feature right here. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. But to create a quiz, you click Create Quiz, go in, and you're going to name it, and I'm going to go ahead and make one called the Ecology Warm-Up, and I'm going to call this one 2 because I've created another one in practicing for this. Now, a minute ago I mentioned the import feature, and right here this relates to the import feature. If you have yes here, you are given the ability to share the quiz, possibly with PLC members or other teachers that maybe teach the same content you do. This number right here is what you type in. It's your Socrative number. It's the ID for the quiz, and I'm going to leave that available. And you can add any type of question you want, multiple choice, true, false, short answer. I'll be honest with you, multiple choice and true false are probably the easiest. Short answers are kind of specific. Whatever you have written as the answer, the kids must match it word for word to have it counted correct, and they get kind of frustrated with that. But your explanation will show how close they were to the actual answer, but it's kind of frustrating for them if they answer it correctly but use different wording. So I'm going to make a multiple choice question for this ecology warm-up. And my question is going to be, an organism that can make its own food is, oops, there we go. And my choices down here, consumer, producer, herbivore, and predator. Now, once I've written in some answer choices, I'm going to click on the one that's to be marked correct by the system, and there's a couple of different things that you can do before you are finished with the actual question. You can offer an explanation, you can add additional information for them, and this is one thing that I really like right here, which is add image. And if you have a particular graphic that you want them to look at, maybe it's a chart or a diagram, a graph of some kind, a cartoon, just depends on what content you want them to really focus in on. You add that image and it becomes part of the question. So from here I'm just gonna say that I have my quiz done. If I wanted to continue adding questions, I would simply make a decision down here as to which type I want to include, and the system would be prompted to keep going. But I'm going to say that I have it finished. I'm going to save and exit. And from here you can see the ecology warm-up that I just created, number 2. And basically, if I select this quiz, I can do a few things with it. I can duplicate it, delete it, download it, or edit it. Go back in, add more questions, change the questions, what have you. Now, if I'm ready to go ahead and assign the quiz, I will go back to the dashboard, go to Start a Quiz, click to assign the quiz, and once I've selected everything that I want right here, I click Start, and I'm good to go. I can assign the quiz. I do want to show you a few other features under Manage Quizzes, though. This is where you will import the quiz. Click here, you add that Socrative number, and click Import Quiz, and you've got it. Now, I've never tried this, but you can create an Excel file with your quiz information on it, and you can add a quiz that way as well. I usually don't use Excel, and that's why, at least for quizzes anyway, and that's why I haven't used that particular feature. But you can import a quiz. From here you literally manage your quizzes. You can look and see what quizzes you have, see if you have one that fits the ticket for what you're doing that day. And from here, you can go to your reports, and that will be the subject of my next video clip. Thank you.